Hello, fellow 3D printers. I'm Jay Will Print That Thing. Today, we're going to be making little 3D printed spinner games. This one really stuck out to me, and I thought it'd be fun to make a truth or dare spinny game, so that way people could, make it a little bit, raise the stakes a little bit more while they're playing truth or dare. I just thought it'd be a fun, cute little game. Also, I wanted to try and do different layers of text. So we'll talk about that later in the video to get these kind of like, the red, the black, and the white. So I just want to kind of go over real quick my design process and how it all went down, and hopefully inspire you guys to make some stuff too.
So the first thing I did was make a base and bevel it out, and then make a piece of filament that I would subtract from the center so that I could slide some filament in. And then we made an arrow, or I made an arrow, and then sliced off the bottom so I could easily 3D print, added a shark fin for flicking, and then added some text. But I wanted it to be curvy, so I curved it around a curve and made it stick out of the top just a little bit, and made the dare stick out a little lower than the truth because I wanted to be able to change colors and have different, colored prints. And then we added a washer to kind of get some separation, and then put a little top clip, and then just duplicated the top clip and made a little base for it to sit on. And then just took a cube and made some divider walls. And for the filament in the middle, I just kind of widened it out ever so slightly in the middle, just to give it some more space, and then shorten it at the bottom. Added my website where you can go and watch the step-by-step process if you need it. And there we go, we've got it and ready for slicing. So Prusa 2.2, and you just right click and add a color change on the little slider bar here, and then find the next layer you want to change color, right click and add another color. It's that simple and pretty awesome.
How it can snap together, how it can spin, how it's got the different colors, and how it can just sit on your desktop, and people can be like, "Oh, what is that?" And you'd be like, "Let's play a game." Also wanted to play truth or dare with you guys and girls, so let's go ahead and do it. Truth. All right, so in the comments, ask me a question and I'll tell the truth, and answer some truth questions. So go ahead and comment below, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next week. All right, peace.